Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to look at 00A on C, argc and argcv. So before we dive into the quiz and the actual projects, ensure that you go through the material that we have been provided. That is on arguments, domain, argument C, argument V. What does the argument C and means? How to compile with unused variables. Then the next part, the general requirement. As usual, you're supposed to use the VI and you're supposed to compile your task using the GCC. Then number 4, which is also the very main point, you are supposed to create a README file at the root of your directory. Then don't forget this point, the prototype of all your function and the prototype of the function puchar should be included in your ender file called main.h. And don't forget to push your enter file, and you're not allowed to use the mandatory file. So maybe just a few 1 minutes, you can look at you can have a look at the quiz solutions for this one. Supposed to be the fun, which is now the argument v2. This is my school is fun, and is fun is the 2. Then what is the argument v0? Supposed to be the program name. Then we have argcc, and supposed to be the size of the argc arrays and the number of the command in line argument. Then for this one, my school fun is supposed to be a null. Then this one also should be given the van, the null, sorry. Then the following command, what is the argv2? So my 1, school 2. So school is the answer. Then what is the argc fee? And supposed to be array size and the array containing the program. So those are the answers for, or rather the solution for the quiz part. Okay, let's dive directly to what is the most important part of this one, which is on task part 2. Okay, if you look at number 1, the main requirement, before you dive on to the actual question, you need to check on this one. You're supposed to your file should be, or rather your project should be on the ALX low level programming on the GitHub repository, and the directory is supposed to be 00A. This is the first one and the first file. Okay, let's move to the sandbox. Let's open the sandbox. So let me see what I have on my repo. So you can see that I have the ALX to level. So I will try to open it, ALX, then use the tab key to complete the remaining characters. Okay, let me see what I have. The LC means lists. Okay, I had already created this one. So for the purpose of demonstration, this is the, if you look at the project, number 1, you're supposed to create a directory argv. Okay, so make directory, then I paste, then I will include 2 for the purpose of demonstration so that you can distinguish it from these other one. Okay, let me open it, cd, paste, then we have the 2. Okay, let me see what is inside. So it's empty. So as per the requirement, we are supposed to create a readme file at the root, this point. Don't forget to do this. Okay, so vi readme.md. Then I prefer to use the name of the task. I would be a little bit fast because this is a simple task. Escape : WQ, then enter button. Okay, the next part, if you look at the instruction, the requirement, the prototype of your function and the prototype of the function, which are should be included. So copy this one. I've already created the codes for that part. So for this one, I have the main H. Okay, let me use this one. So copy. So copy. So VI. Okay, paste. Insert. So you press. Okay, copy this one. Copy, paste, escape, colon, Q. Okay, for the essence of working more fast, let me create two screens. Okay, next we have the pushar. If you look at this one, we have the pushar. Don't forget to include the .c. This one, just as you can see this part. Don't avoid that mistake. If at all you make that mistake, your checkers will not they will not be green. Okay, copy this one. And kindly guys, don't forget to subscribe, continue supporting the channel as we continue to learn together. Okay, copy, and you do paste. Okay, having done that, now let's move to the question number 1. Question number 0. You're supposed to write a program that prints its name followed by a new line. So copy the name of the file, which is what's my name, then I, and insert. Then I will share this particular file, so you don't have to get worried on the issue of copying. But ensure that you attempt before going for the video that I've created. Go through the material first, because it's more easier for you to understand if you compare those two parts. Escape WQ. Then we have the VI. Enter. Press I for insert. Then copy your code. Then you paste. Press escape, colon, WQ. Then the enter for the essence of escaping. Okay, move to the next number, number 3. You're supposed to write a program that multiplies two numbers. Okay, so copy the name of the file. This is the file name. Copy. Insert. this is the code. Copy, paste, escape, colon w. Oh my god. Okay, escape, wq, and the vi. The next number 4, supposed to be add is copy. Okay, then insert. These are the codes for number 4 to add the c, add.c. Escape. Then for number 5, you write a program that prints the minimum number of coins to make change for an amount of money. Okay, the name of this one. Okay, then insert. Copy the code. Then paste escape colon WQ. So I'm actually through with my step number 2. Okay, let's move now to step number 3. Step number 3, you are supposed now to, as per the instruction, this part, all your file will be compiled on port 2 using the GCC. So copy this one and paste. So copy for the next number, then do it on number 2. Then for the next number 3. Then number 4. Then lastly, our number 5. Okay, having done that, now the remaining part is the actual. The remaining part is supposed not to be the GitHub, git commit, just as you can see. So let me do this. So we have the git add, then git commit support argc and argcv, then of course, and lastly the git push. So those are the things that you are supposed to do on this assignment to so that your checkers are, or rather will be green. Just as you can see, mine's all of them are green. Okay, let me check. I think this is supposed to be green. Okay, just as you can see, all of them are greens from 0 all the way to 9. Then for these other number, okay, then number 1. So just follow the steps as I've shown on this video, and you'll find that all your checkers will be green, just like mine's. And don't get worried, I will share the codes on the description part of on the video. So just check on the description, you will find a link that will take you to these codes that I have prepared, these one. So I hope that I'm through with the third part. So for more videos and for the next video that will be on next week, kindly subscribe, comment, and also don't forget to share with your friends. So thank you, and have a nice studies on the next lesson.